Hello everyone. So we're basically trying to create a tutorial on how to use our website and how you can get a lot of information from our website. The link of the website is given to all of you and you are aware of that link. So we'll just start from this. So basically you can go into our strategy section, and over there you will find segments of different kind of strategies. You can click to any strategy and you can see the stats of the strategy. Theta dynamic directional, TDS, TMS, then you can go to our directional strategies like zip, GMP, other resources that we have, which include device performance. This is from our own account. Broker comparison, you can also go and directly deploy our strategies. You can actually check our correlation data as well. Deploy our strategies directly on TradeTron. That's it. That's how you can browse our website.